Antwi, congratulations, call up to the Blasters. First of all, how long have you been waiting for this opportunity?
I've been waiting for this opportunity for a very long time, and it's a dream come true. And it shows I made the right decision by joining Asante Kotoko, and I think I'm doing something right that has, taken me to this level. I think I can do more.
Antwi, how does this recognition makes you feel, or how does it mean to you?
It means a lot to me. Credit goes to our head coach and to the technical team as well, and also to the head coach of Ghana Black Stars, Coach Otuado, for keeping an eye on me, and also credit goes to the players for helping me to improve.
Antwi, it's been close to 4 months since you joined Kotoko, so it's obvious that you've had your fair share of the demands at the club. And then having the opportunity with the Blasters, what sort of thing do you want to learn, and what has Kotoko given you, the transformation? What has Kotoko added to you personally as an individual and in your game?
Kotoko has helped me a lot to improve in my career. They've given me the big platform to showcase my talent, and I think that's a good step for me. And I'll keep working hard to make sure I make them proud when I get there. Yeah.
Okay.
So basically, that's it.
Recently, a lot of our players have gotten the opportunity of being the Blasters. Your senior, that's Lamte, was part of the Blasters team for the AFCON. What sort of inspiration does this and the list of players that we mentioned from Kotoko give you personally? And does it spur you on to do more and to be part of that list of recognized Kotoko players?
Yes, the work doesn't stop. I think Richmond Lamte, as he said, he has really been an inspiration to me. And I think when I was in Accra Gate Olympics, he was one of the players I was looking up to. And I knew if I joined Kotoko and I work hard on my skills, on what I do best, I can get this opportunity to also showcase to the whole world for them to see what I have in me. So I think joining Asante Kotoko is a good move for me, and it has really helped me in my career.
Finally, how does our recent results make you feel like as a group? The supporters are disturbed, they are hurt that we are not winning. Personally, for you and the group, how is the mood like? How is the feeling like?
We feel a little bit down, but I keep telling the playing body not to feel that way, because it's one of those things. It's a rocky road. We just have to learn from it and grow from it. We correct our mistakes and make sure we don't repeat them again. So what I would say is we really have to really work on our goal scoring. That's the most important. We can play 90 minutes and we are not scoring. I think that's not really helping the team. So I think we have to work on our scoring, and it will get better, honestly.
There's been a lot of talk about your positioning on the pitch. People say you are comfortable here, you are comfortable there. As a footballer, as an attacking midfielder, does it matter for you where you play on the field?
No, it doesn't matter. It's, during the preseason, we had a different structure, so but coming to the season, everything has changed. Daddy has given me a new role to play on the field of play, and I think he's the head. I have to follow his decision and do whatever he says. So that's what I'm doing, yeah.
And do you feel comfortable?
Yeah, I feel comfortable. And with time, everything will be fine, honestly.
Thank you so much, and wish you the best. Go and give us a good representation at the national team camp.
Thank you very much for having me.